So what are these cows doing and why is this so good?
Well, we're here at Beyond Organic North Ranches practicing ultra high density grazing. So what you're watching is an entirely mixed group of cattle. We've got beef cows, we've got pregnant dairy cows, we've got 6 to 8 month old future dairy cows, and pretty much everything in between. And what we do here is practice ultra high density grazing, also called mob grazing, and you can tell the mob part, everybody's here.
Right.
This is critical for the health of the soil and the cow, and here's why. We have them on 2/3 of an acre for about 2.5 hours. They're consistently moved 5 to 7 times a day, and when they're here, they're eating everything, competing for food, trampling what they don't want. If you will let them here in a short time, they're just going to eat what they like a child would, eat the ice cream, leave the veggies. When they do that, they're leaving the weeds to regrow, but by trampling them and taking the right amount of bite from the plant while leaving manure and urine, which is nitrogen and microorganisms, the best fertilizer in the world, spread evenly around, they are regenerating the soil. Next time they're here, the pasture will be better, soil will be healthier, and the cow will be healthier. This is regeneration, and that's why I believe what we're doing at Beyond Organic can quite literally regenerate the planet 2/3 of an acre at a time. So it's very exciting. You won't find a ranch doing this within 200 miles of here, maybe more. It's a little controversial, but more than anything, it's an art and it's a science. Sometimes they're here 2.5 hours, sometimes 2, sometimes 3, but this is how the grazing patterns of cattle would naturally be, and you can see the difference when 2 weeks later, the grass is nice and green. In fact, Michael, if you look over there, you see that green haze? They were there about a week ago, and that's where they just came from, that completely mowed area. They are getting everything.
Wow.
This is a great example of what will happen, and we'll get back in 60 to 120 days, depending on rain, and regraze the area, and it'll be better than where we left it. See, this program is leaving the earth in better shape than when they got here.
Amen. Thanks, Jordan.